Now when turn on the machine, we can see firstly the welcome screen. Touch it. Go to the working mode. There are 3 working modes: hair removal, fast hair removal, skin rejuvenation. First, we choose hair removal. And in this screen, we can choose the skin type. 6 skin type we can choose, from white to black, and gender, lady and gentleman, and a different treatment part. Then OK to the energy adjustment screen. In this screen, we can see the skin type, body area, and the gender we just chose. And on the below, we can see the water temperature, water flow rate, and the total shoes. Here we can set the energy. The fluence can be increase and decrease, and the frequency increase and decrease. When OK, and then here the subtotal is the record for one customer treatment energy. Skin cooling is for the spot set cooling. Adjust it. And then energy set OK, ready for treatment. Okay. Now machine is ready for hair removal treatment to the patient. Before the treatment, we need to remove the hair on the skin surface. We do like this. And then put cooling gel on skin surface. Take the handle. Make the handle spot touch skin tightly. Move the handle like this. The operator needs to wear the protector glasses. When finished treatment, clear the subtotal for next customer. Stand by and back to last page to working mode. Here we choose fast hair removal. In this working mode, for the fluence, there are 5 grades we can choose. When finished, choose. Still adjust the skin cooling for the spot side, and then ready for treatment. Okay. Now machine is ready for hair removal treatment to the patient. Before the treatment, we need to remove the hair on the skin surface. We do like this. And then put cooling gel on skin surface. Take the handle. Make the handle spot touch skin tightly. Move the handle like this. The operator needs to wear the protector glasses. When finished treatment, clear subtotal energy and back to choose skin rejuvenation. This mode, skin rejuvenation. In this screen, there are 3 grades for energy: soft, comfortable, and effective. And choose adjust the skin cooling. Then ready for treatment. Now we start to do skin rejuvenation to the patient for face skin lifting and skin whitening. The patient should wear the protection goggles. We put gel on surface. Put the handle spot on face tightly. Do treatment from down to up, like this.